dwellers. You have slaughtered my minions and defiled my sanctuary. Now you will be drowned by the wrath of the tides.
You'll have no more sacrifices today, witch. Go back to the depths where you belong.
Very well. Your choice is made. The air you breathe now will be your last.
At last, we've reached our landing site.
Warchief, while you were gone, the nearby volcano erupted. This entire island has begun to sink.
How long to repair the ships?
The repairs are nearly done, Warchief.
Then finish them quickly. We're about to have company. Defend the ships at all costs. Let's get on with it. Yes. I am the Warchief.
Hey, where'd the others go? They go with you?
Lokrigar, no ready to work. I can do that.
We don't have much time.
I hear the summons.
The spirits are restless.
Ready to work.
Dabu.
Something you doing? Work.
Let's get on with it.
My life for the Horde.
Lokrigar, no gal.
Yes?
Lokrigar, no gal. For honor.
You got away off the island?
I am
What
the
you want me to do?
Warchief.
This island be sinking quick. We come with you, man.
What?
The
Research complete.
spirits are restless. Yes.
Work
Dabu.
complete.
Dabu.
Look, Naros.
For honor. Yes. I am
Our town is
the
under
Warchief.
attack.
Yes.
What, you big craven? What do you want? I can do that. Work. You seek
Let's
me
get
help?
on with
Work
it.
complete.
For honor. Dabu.
Be happy to. Build more burrows. Master.
Yes, chieftain.
How may
Who
I
you want me
serve?
kill? The spirits are restless.
What, you big craven? That be good choice, man. How may I serve?
Lokrigar, no gal.
Work complete.
For honor. Lokrigar, no gal.
I hear the summons. Yes. Okie dokie.
Let's get on with it.
I hear the summons.
The
Research
spirits
complete.
are restless.
Work complete.
I am the
What, you
Warchief.
big Something you doing?
Lokrigar, no gal.
Ready to work.
What you want me to do?
How may I serve? Right away.
The spirits are restless.
Ready to work. Work complete. What do you want? Yes, I can do that. You seek me help?
Research complete. Research complete.
Okie dokie. Work, work.
I am the war chief.
What will they call it?
Let's get on with it. Yes. Let's get on with it.
How may I say? You seek me help?
I am the war chief.
I hear the summons.
Work complete. Something need doing? Be happy to. Research complete. Work complete. What do you want? I can do that. Something need doing?
I hear the summons.
Upgrade complete. Research complete.
Where you want me go? What you be craving? You seek me help? How may I serve?
Work complete.
Huh? Who you want me kill? Where she want me go?
The spirits are restless. Leprechaun, no gone. My life for the Horde. Be happy to. I am the war chief.
You seek me help?
Your efforts are futile, land dwellers. The darkness of the deeps is all that awaits you.
Yes. Work, work. The spirits are restless. I am the war chief. Need something?
I hear the summons.
Research complete. Say the word. Our town is under attack. Need something for honor. No. The spirits are restless.
How may I
The
serve?
war chief.
What will be craving? You seek me help?
Work complete. Logrigar, no god. Research complete. Yes, chieftain. Okie dokie. Let's get on with it. Work complete. What do you want? The spirits are restless. Yes. For honor. Dabu. Something need doing? I am the war
What
chief.
will be craving?
Yes. For honor. Yes. Can't build that.
How may I serve? You seek me help?
Ready to work. I can do that. Work. Let's get on with it. Work complete.
Dingo. That'd be good choice, man.
The spirits are restless. Ready to work. Yes. Something need doing? Ready to Research complete. Lokrigar no gal.
How may I serve?
Master? My life for the Horde. I am the
What
War
will be
Chief.
craven?
Let's get on with it. What you want?
How may I serve?
We still need more time to finish the repairs, War Chief.
You seek me help? I hear the summons. I hear the summons. How may I serve?
Master? I am the War
What
Chief.
you be craven? Dingo.
Need something. Our town is under
You
attack.
seek me help? What you how may I serve? What? You seek me help?
Lokrigar no gal. Say a word. It ain't just for the Sultan. What you want me to do?
I hear the summons.
Let's get on with it.
How may I serve?
Lokrigar no gal. What you want? Yes, I can do that. Work.
You seek me help? Right away. Dingo.
Ready to ride. Yes, research complete. Loktar, who you want me kill? Yes, chieftain.
What?
No problem.
What you be
The
craven?
spirits are restless. Ready to ride. I am the War Chief. Ndabu.
What
I
you be
am
craven?
the War Chief.
Right away.
Let's get on with it. Where you want me go?
I hear the summons. Dingo.
Need some research complete.
How may I serve? Right away.
Research complete. The spirits are restless. What you want me to do? What you want? Storm, earth, and fire.
Who you want me
Heed
to
my
kill?
call. Locrigar, no gal.
I hear the summons. That be good choice, man.
Master?
Soon this land will be consumed by the tides. Prepare for the sea's cold embrace.
Storm, earth, and fire. Heed my call. Yes?
The spirits are restless.
We're under attack! Direct me. Research complete.
Let's get on with it.
Our
seek
town
me
is under
help?
attack! What do you want?
How may I serve?
I am the warship.
Yes.
Hear the summons.
Happy to. Something you're doing? It won't be much longer now, War Chief. The ships are nearly ready.
How may I serve? You want me to help?
Yes.
I hear the summons.
Spirits are restless.
Master? What do you want? Research something you're doing? Yes. Huh? How can I help? Something you're doing? I can do that. Work. What do you want? Something you're doing? Yes. What do you want? Research complete. Say no word.
What you be How may I serve?
Work complete. Yes, War Chief. Work complete. Locrigar, no guard. Work complete.
How may I help?
Locrigar. Work complete.
What you be
I am the war chief.
That be good choice, man.
What do you want? Earth and fire. Dabu, heed my call.
The spirits are restless.
Yes.
Let's get on with it. Yes.
Yes, War Chief. Yes, Lord. Right away.
Let's get on with it.
Heed my call. Say the word. Me.
I am
How can
the
I
war
help?
chief.
Locrigar, no gal. What do you want? Be happy to. Something you're doing? Yes. Yes, War Chief. What do you want? What do you want? Huh? Direct me. My life for a horde. Yes? What you want?
The spirits are restless.
For the horde.
You seek me help?
My
I
life
am
for a
the
horde.
war chief. Yes.
How can I
The
help?
spirits are restless. Let's get on with it.
Yes.
I hear the summons.
Regard, no
The spirits
How can I help?
Tell me I serve.
Our bullfight is running low. Direct me. No God. Your time has come. Chief. Yes, War Chief. Let's get on with it. A wise plan. Yes, I am the War Chief. Right away. For honor. How can I help? The spirits are restless. Hold the line, my warriors! Our freedom is at hand! Yes? Loktar!
Yes, at last the end draws near. Your deaths are only the beginning. Soon all land dwellers will be entombed in a watery grave.
Yes,
You seek me help?
yes, War Chief.
Sail on, land dwellers, flee! The dark tide is coming to swallow you all, and once it begins, there will be nowhere to hide.
I don't know exactly what the witch was talking about, but I do know that our destiny lies elsewhere. For now, we set sail for Kalimdor. That is where our future will unfold.